Did you know that what you eat today can shape your health tomorrow? In a world filled with fast food and quick meals, many high school students remain unaware of the power hidden in every bite they take. This crash course will guide you through the essentials of food and nutrition, revealing how macronutrients and micronutrients work together to support your growth and overall health. Imagine starting your day with a question, a key moment when your body whispers for energy and nourishment. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are the nutrients you need in large quantities. They provide the energy required for every heartbeat, every thought, and every step you take. Carbohydrates fuel your body, proteins build and repair tissues, and fats protect your organs and support cell growth. Each one serves a distinct but equally crucial role. Simple as these concepts may sound, understanding them can transform how you approach every meal. At times, the world of nutrition seems overwhelming, especially when you are bombarded with conflicting information regarding dietary choices. This uncertainty is the conflict we must overcome. Misguided habits, such as the excessive consumption of simple sugars, can lead to health issues like obesity, diabetes, and dental caries. While the temptation of junk food is hard to resist, your future depends on mastering the basics of nutritional science. A balanced understanding of nutrition can empower you to make selections that nourish your body and spark a path toward lifelong health. Now, let's dive into the world of micronutrients. These are the vitamins and minerals required in smaller amounts, but with mighty effects. Micronutrients play crucial roles in body functions, such as immune response, bone health, and enzymatic reactions. Adolescents, in particular, have increased needs for micronutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, and folate to support rapid growth and development during puberty. It is essential to look beyond the immediate effects of food and see how these building blocks contribute to your overall well-being and performance in school. Visualize your plate following USDA's MyPlate guidelines, half filled with fruits and vegetables, with the remaining portions split between grains, proteins, and a serving of dairy. This balanced mix ensures that you receive everything from energy-giving carbohydrates to the necessary vitamins and minerals. Each bite is a meticulously designed combination of substances that together support your day-to-day activities and long-term growth. Incorporating these principles into your daily routine can help bridge the knowledge gap that many students face. Consider the words of pediatric nutrition specialist Giovanni Savarino, who said, "Understanding the balance between macronutrients and micronutrients is vital for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases." These insights emphasize why it is more than just food on a plate. It is about understanding how each nutrient influences your health. This transformative knowledge allows you to rise above the uncertainty that clouds many dietary decisions. It is a call to action for students, educators, and anyone eager to understand the intricacies of nutrition. As you continue to explore these vital topics, remember that every meal is an opportunity to fuel not just your body, but also your dreams and ambitions. By learning to read nutrition labels and understanding serving sizes, you equip yourself with tools to make informed choices. The FDA's Nutrition Facts label is a resource that makes it easier to compare products and understand their impact on your daily health. Knowledge is power, and this power lies in the choices you make every time you sit down to eat. The journey through food and nutrition is full of exciting discoveries and practical lessons that will change how you see the world around you. Each concept you absorb builds a stronger foundation for a healthier future. Your brain, heart, and body depend on every decision you make about what to include in your diet. It is a responsibility and a privilege, the privilege to craft the best version of yourself through the way you nourish your body. Now let this lesson resonate with you. Let it inspire you to evaluate your own eating habits and take charge of your health. Embrace the knowledge and empower yourself to make choices that positively impact every dimension of your life. Start making informed food choices today to build a healthier future.